people they need every day. Of course, if they have a friend hand in hand walking street with them and describe how mountain and river looks like, that will be perfect. Also, if there is a device can help them walk to school or go to work, that will be great also. Since other IEM RPs are working very hard on this field, I decided to do something else. I imagine I am blind. I'm thinking about what is the second important thing for me. My answer is entertainment. I am very afraid of being alone and boring at home. Finally, I decided to do some game. Yeah, the game industry is really huge today, and the Kinect game becomes more and more popular. There are many kinds of Kinect games you can find in the store online. They are made by big companies. They are very commercial, very successful, nice graphic and story. Unfortunately, they are not much for the blind community. Actually, there are few Kinect games for the blind. For example, last year there is one project, the rock paper scissors game. How to play this game is to play with the computer, and the computer will let the user know either you win or lose. But after we testing in the special school, there are only young kids very likely. Most of the users they lost interest after play once or twice. Therefore, I want to design a game with more complicated logic, nice story, and easy controlling, which means no keyboard and mouse required. The name of the game is Finding Survivor in the Dark. Players in the predefined 2D map use stereo sound from Survivor. You can hear help sound and try to use voice command like move forward, go right, go left, try and approach the survivor. Meanwhile, there are zombie is coming. Player has to punch the zombie before he approaches the player. Of course, during the movement of the zombie, you can hear sound. The sound is also stereo. You can easily to tell whether either zombie is far away or very close. You use a gesture to punch the zombie. Otherwise, the game over. Yeah, for the people who can see, you can click this checkbox. Once you click this checkbox, the image has gone. It's for fair. The game is fair to everyone. You can only use your hearing, not your vision. Yeah, this game is not only for fun. It also trains players' memory. During the play, players sometimes hit the wall, and the players can hear the survivor's help sound has the same direction of the wall. Why this happened? Because the survivor is on the other side of the wall. You need to figure out get a run of it. Yeah, like we wake up in the 2 a.m., go to toilet. We usually don't turn on the light because we have a map in our head. We know where is the door, where is the handle, where is the table. The mechanism in this game is very simple. When the player has the same location as the survivor, you go to next level. If there is no more level, you win the game. Congratulations. Otherwise, the zombie has the same location with player. The game has over. My approach is a completely game from scratch. I designed the entire interface and game mechanism and gesture. I use C# programming language using multiple threads, text to speech, using Microsoft SDK and 3D Sound library. What I learned this summer is a very valuable experience for me. I learned many things can't learn from class. Logic of solving problems and debugging skills. I learned how to make plan to save everyday's problem and solution for future. And testing can let me understand serious problem I didn't realize. And presentation skill, I have a chance to observe very professional presentation every week. And the game framework, from each part I did, graphic, sound, logic, coding. Now I have a better understanding how inside the game looks like. And it really motivated me to keep hard working in the future to approach my dream. Plan for the year, of course, we will keep improve the detail in the game and do artwork. We will do more testing for blind and blindfolded subjects. For example, we will visit the New York Institute for Special Education in this fall and submit the paper to annual International Technology and Persons with Disabilities Conference in San Diego. Reference two previous Kinect games from REM 2012 and 2013. And thanks for National